Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today we will learn about the two main types of Arabic sentence. Do you have in your knowledge every Arabic sentence is either nominal or verbal? Let's explore the difference. First, Jumla Ismiya. A nominal sentence begins with a noun. It describes a state or situation. For example, At-talibu mujtahid. The student is hardworking. At-talib mubtada, mujtahid khabar. Al-kitabu mufid. The book is useful. Al-kitabu mubtada, mufid khabar. Second, Jumla fi'liya. A verbal sentence starts with a verb. It describes an action. For example, kataba talibu dars. The students wrote the lesson. Kataba fi'l, at-talibu fa'il, ad-dars maf'ul. يجلس الطفل على الكرسي. The child is sitting on the chair. يجلس فعل, الطفل فاعل, على الكرسي ظرف له. So Arabic sentence is either nominal or verbal. Understanding this is the key to mastering Arabic language. Like, share and subscribe for more easy Arabic lessons and follow us.